Alam nyo ba kung gaano kalaki ang pera ng US commercial bank deposits ngayon? Alam nyo ba? Kaya gayon na lang talagang maghulos dili itong CEO na ito. Alam nyo ba kung gaano kalaki yan? Talagang massive bull run tayo. Ito nga, tingnan nyo mabuti. Kamiranda, the giant, the sleeping giant is to the tune of 19.11 trillion lang naman. O kayo na humusga dyan. Kaya talagang kahit 'di ba tayo nagse-celebrate tayo ng Mother's Day. Mother's Day sabi niya eh. Tapos mag-i-email ka ng linggo. Mag-i-email ka ng linggo, edi talagang importante yung gusto mong sabihin. 'Di ba? Mother's Day, linggo, nag-i-email ka. Kasi ayaw ng mga 1.5 asukal na to, the longest money heist, money hack. Ayaw nila. 'Di ba? Ayaw nila na mag-interest like rewards ang stable coins. Ang current na proposal hanggat walang panagbabago ay magiging unnecessarily incentivizing the flight of bank deposits, putting the economic growth and financial stability at risk. On Friday, we joined the other Banking Trade Association in sending a letter to the committee members outlining our concerns and detailing specific changes needed to strengthen the section and protect the bank deposits. Protect the bank. Protect the bank. Highlighted, we need your help to drive this message home before the senators consider this legislation. This is a massive news. Dahil talagang weekend, Mother's Day, nag-email si kuya, si paring Rob Nichols. Sabi niya, "Hoy, gising-gising mawawalan tayo wala tayong negosyo. Mawala tayong negosyo today. Mawala na mga Chinese." Maraming Chinese sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kailangan marami tayong pera. Kailangan tayong negosyo. So this, kidding aside, for me, this letter speaks volumes of what's supposed to be happening in the crypto industry.